And I'm pretty certain, buddy, from the day I saw you, I said, this is the next biggest thing happening in Commonwealth.
Doctor. That's my impression of Jodie Foster in the movie Silence of the Lambs. Yes, doctor. Give me his name, doctor. Give me...
Not real? Is it because it's not real or what?
Well, I won't say it's not. It's considered soft science. Astronomy, yeah, not astrology, because astrology is based on a lot of predictions.
Not ready. Come back in 16 years.
Not the first time either, I bet. All right, Russell.
But I can tell you who I did a reading of the love.
BC Young Fly.
I'm going to move on.
Okay, I apologize, Papa. No harm, no foul.
Certain smell that's it's outstanding.
How was that?
Very good. You know what? You look at
Tommy Lee Jones or Harrison Ford or...
But some of the guys I beat were quite...
Casey was. But now that you've explained...
You know, can you draw from that or what?
I am, but he just wanted to say hi.
Mr. Woodchuck, because I can't.
Boy, killing it.
Be well. Take care, my friend.
Certain, you see, with darkness and light, it has to be set.
It's my show.